Operating steps. Step E. Install the furnace tube containing the material vessel. Insert the suitable material tubes from the left end. Place the material vessel into one end of the tube. Use the material hook to mark the center position of the heating space of the furnace body. Push the material vessel in, and then install and fix the flanges at both ends of the tube. Installation of flanges at both ends of the furnace tube. Install the flange at the other end using the same method. Step R. Pre-vacuum and introduce atmosphere. If no atmosphere introduction is required, this step can be skipped. Click on the vacuum pump on the touch screen. Slowly open the vacuum valve. Remember, it must be done slowly. Prevent excessive damage to the furnace tubes. Observe the pressure level. It should reach 150 Pa. This is what you need. The pressure can be any value between atmospheric pressure and 100 Pa. When the required vacuum pressure is reached, close the vacuum valve and click Turn off vacuum pump on the touch screen. Gray indicates closed state, green indicates open state. Open the intake valve and simultaneously adjust the flow rate of the flowmeter. Pay attention to whether the air intake is connected to A or B and adjust the corresponding flow meter accordingly. Step 3. Setting of experimental process procedures. 3 modes can be selected freely. The first one is the manual mode. Manual mode, the microwave power can be set as a fixed value while the temperature can be variable. Generally, only a very small number of cases adopt this mode. The second mode, the automatic mode. Clicking will automatically redirect to the control settings interface. The process procedures can be set in stages. Once set, click on No E and the experimental process will start. For detailed explanations of all the interfaces on the touch screen, please refer to the user manual. The third mode, constant temperature mode. Constant temperature mode, the working temperature can be set as a fixed value, while the microwave power can be variable. Set the installation time. For detailed explanations of all the interfaces on the touch screen, please refer to the user manual. For detailed explanations of all the interfaces on the touch screen, please refer to the user manual. After setting the process in the selection mode, click Start on the right side, and the microwave will start heating. Step 4. Experiment completion. After the experimental process is completed, first turn off the flow meter and the intake valve, then turn off the exhaust valve. When the temperature drops below 500摄氏度, the water cooler can be turned off. When the temperature drops below 100摄氏度, the power supply of the equipment can be turned off. When the temperature returns to room temperature, the heat exchanger can be removed and the materials can be taken out.